What's up, guys? We got a Jeep Wrangler. We end up installing the Redtiger F7 MP 4K camera. It's front and rear, but the situation with this Jeep is that she's got this top that it removes, so we couldn't really do anything with that back camera. So we went ahead and and stuck it here in the front, and she wanted more like for the drivers and all that. And you can still catch that back window. This Jeep is pretty small, but that's what it is. You don't see any wires or anything. Everything is hardwired. When you turn off the Jeep, it turns off. And that's basically, the phone. You get to see, the front and the rear records through the app. It's a nice camera. There's different brands that you can get. It's just gonna be your preference, which one you like. When you order it. And that's pretty much it. Anybody in Miami or out of state, in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or Homestead, just give us a call and we come out and do the installation for you. We really don't buy the cameras for the customers because the warranty is better off you get it on your own from Amazon or wherever you're going to get it. That way you keep the receipt under your name and everything, because there's so many brands, so many models, that I will need a big warehouse to store every flavor of cameras that is out there. So it's just, I'll leave it up to the customer to buy it, and then you go ahead and call us and we do the install. That way it's professionally done and you don't see no wires or anything. This camera system was installed in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists, and numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.